Balisongs, better known as butterfly knives, has been rapidly achieving popularity in the knife market. A butterfly knife can have many helpful uses. They're easily deployed with a single hand, and they can be fast opened and locked safely. Also, they're smart showpieces, razor-sharp deterrents, and masterfully elegant tools when placed in equally masterful hands. Overall, butterfly knives are an incredibly useful tool to own. However, we're going to support you to choose a butterfly knife that is suitable for your style and needs. Here are our top 5 selections, so let's check them out.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The AIFUSI butterfly knife is all you require in your pocket. It performs amazingly portable and can be used for various activities. The grey colored knife has a skull design handle that gives it a fancy and stylish look. But looks aren't all. This handle is great as it is very ergonomic too. It is made of high quality steel. It's also very lightweight and weighs around 3.2 ounces, which is why anyone from a child to an adult can use it very simply. The 6.5-inch knife has 3-inch long unsharpened blade that is made of alloy steel, which creates the knife rust resistant and lovely looking. Moreover, this can be used for different purposes, such as you can use it as a bottle opener, and it can also be used as a nail puller. Other than this, it is an ideal flipping knife as it is well balanced, and you'll immediately notice how well it swings and maneuvers around your fingers. Plus, you can easily use it for years due to its durability. If you want to take your skills and techniques to the next level, this butterfly knife will be the best for you. The VORNNEX combines well with the bright silver finish to bring you a butterfly knife you'd be proud to show off. It has a non-offensive blade and an excellent high-quality design. It feels professional in hands and you can notice the attention to detail. It's made for practice and is balanced to give you a versatile handle of the knife that is both for beginners and more experienced users. At around 6 ounces, this isn't a heavy knife. This facilitates the flips. The blade length is 4 inches and its full length is 9 inches. It's made from 404 stainless steel and the screws have been enhanced to be more durable and robust. And keeping it clean is a breeze. This is a very low risk and reliable practice butterfly knife that will help build your skills up quickly. This is worth the money if you like to quickly improve your skills. Also, you are getting a high quality best butterfly knife at a fair price. The Faceti butterfly knife is a 2-piece set with 1 black and 1 silver Balisong. They are both sleek and lightweight with ergonomic and slim handles. You're getting incredible value for money. One of the great features of this knife is the rounded holes in the skeletal frame. It takes away the rougher feeling that you often experience with rectangular cutouts. Also, you're getting a lightweight and easy to handle set that you can practice with for hours on end. The black knife shows scratch easily, but they're simple enough to clean and maintain. Plus, both lock up and fast and safely with the tail latch, and they are durable enough to handle being dropped sometimes. As a result, you can enjoy practicing near a soft surface to get the best possible life from these beauties. So with this knife, you get a superb beginner-friendly experience that will last much longer than you'd expect. You obtain the original and an enhanced version with this Moonboat 2-pieces butterfly knife set. It is hard to ignore this kind of value, especially in a butterfly knife this is famous. The original knife is sleek and gorgeous. This lightweight design is simple to carry and practice with that a perfect starting point for a beginner. This knife is made from stainless steel. It opens to about 8.75 inches overall and closes to about 5 inches. So with a high quality material build and a sturdy frame, you can keep these butterfly knives around for a long time. The enhanced version is quite a bit thicker and a little heavier. It's this additional heft that helps you fine-tune and mold your technique. Also, both knives have amazing pin channel construction and a skeletonized frame. This delivers you a better grip and keeps the knives from being unnecessarily heavy. They're also impact resistance. However, this best Balisong trainer may be a perfect choice for anybody who wants to train a heavy ballast. The butterfly knife of Anlado is a natural equilibrium weighing about 5.83 ounces. This is unsharpened and has a skeletal frame design. It would make a wonderful gift idea for an enthusiast friend or family member. This knife is crafted from 440C stainless steel, which is known to be extremely robust and durable. This is a knife that will take a hefty beating without showing any signs of it. At 5 inches long and under 6 ounces, this knife is impeccably well balanced. Also, you can simply flip and spin this knife without having it constantly pulled to one side. And the handles of the Anlado ballast trainer have 10 holes in order to minimize their weight and to incorporate aesthetic ingredients into this instrument. Additionally, a 100% financial guarantee arrives from this butterfly knife. So, Anlado can reimburse or replace your cash even if you are not entirely happy with this offering. Finally, if you're searching for an inexpensive butterfly knife, this will be a tempting choice.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.